In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain to Cloudflare. We're focusing on making this process as smooth and straightforward as possible, so let's dive right in. Just a heads up, for this demonstration, I'll be showcasing how to transfer a domain from Hostinger to Cloudflare. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, there are a few essential steps to take care of, such as unlocking your domains. First and foremost, making sure your domains are unlocked is crucial. This step allows the migration of your domain and its data to be possible, acting as the green light for the transfer process. Think of it as unlocking the door to let something in. Until it's unlocked, nothing can go through. Alright, moving forward, you'll need to ensure you are logged in as an admin to both your Hostinger and Cloudflare accounts. This access is necessary to make any changes. Once you're logged in, locate the Domains tab in your Hostinger account or whichever hosting platform you're using. There, you'll get a list of all your registered domains. So, simply click to manage the domain you wish to transfer. You'll notice an option called Transfer Lock. Ensure this is unchecked. If you're not an admin, you might not be able to complete this, but usually, this is how it's done. Once it's unlocked, go ahead and click on More Options and then copy the domain name. With the domain name ready, head over to your Cloudflare account dashboard. Look for the domain registration option. This is where all the action begins. Under this section, you'll see the Transfer Domains option. However, before diving into transfers, you'll first need to register the domain you want to bring over. Paste it there, search for it, and add it to Cloudflare's database. Once done, navigate back to the Transfer Domains tab, and now your domain should appear listed and ready for the next steps. From here, the process of migrating your domain begins. Cloudflare will display a list of all registered domains linked to your account. Whether you're moving from Hostinger, Bluehost, GoDaddy, or any other hosting service, the process is the same. At this point, you'll need to enter the authorization codes received via email. These codes usually arrive in the inbox of the email addresses associated with both your Cloudflare account and your hosting service. Simply enter those auth codes, and voila, you have now successfully transferred your domain from your previous hosting platform to Cloudflare. That's it! You've done it! You've now embarked on a seamless journey with Cloudflare hosting your domain. Congratulations on completing this transfer, and enjoy the enhanced features and services Cloudflare has to offer. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hosting!